What's going on YouTube? It's Andreas here from Symmetry 4-Wheel Drive and welcome back to the channel. Now today we are out here at Killarney International Raceway for the Killarney Motor Show, which is an annual event that they have here every year. So this event is all about vintage cars, stance cars, drag cars, drift cars, race cars, German, Japanese, American, 4x4 off-road, absolutely everything you could think of. It's really such a fantastic show. There's a lot of aftermarket service providers and manufacturers here as well, sharing their goods and wares. And there's spinning going on, there's drifting going on, there's grip racing going on, displays, there's skateboarding, BMXing, stuff for the kids to play on, absolutely everything. So they have this show once a year, and it's just like a great culmination of like the local car industry and car enthusiast community, and it's just such a great place to go and check some cool motorsport and cars and things like that. So let's dive into the video and check out what this is all about.
took a deal, sign another deal. Post up in the hills, on the real, headed for a mill. Travel with me still, getting kills. All this pop appeal, got these pop stars try popping in, and they getting pop for real. I ain't tryna build, I was tryna lead a mill. Getting to it, before I hopped up off the block, I was still going through it. Friends doing pills, and came faster than it should've. I was Buddy Hill, shooting at a pace soon as I pull up, dropping buckets. Hey, yeah, like it's nothing. In the kitchen chopping onions, yeah. Tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming. Cause I'm dropping buckets. Ay, yeah, like it's nothing. Ay, earn my respect and burn a budget. Ay, tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming. Baby, yeah, I'm dropping buckets. Got some cash for me, don't worry about my past for me. I'm driving with no gasoline, this life I live's a fantasy. Yeah, I do this for my dogs, all my day ones and my family. My life gon' lead through them if I end up in any tragedies. I hope y'all understand this shit got bigger cause it had to be. I always knew I had it, but just not at this capacity. I recognize the gravity, closer to the summit, stacking chips and counting nuggets. I've been stunting, baby, cause I'm dropping buckets. Hey, yeah, like it's
Tiger Wheel and Tire representing here. My favorite Liz. Cheers. Cheers, have a good one.
Earn my respect and burn a budget. Tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, baby, cause I'm dropping buckets. Earn my respect and burn a budget. Tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, baby, cause I'm dropping buckets.
It's not too noisy and you can't hear me, but we've just been cruising around the whole Killarney annual motor show here, and it's a really cool, really well put together event. So there's something for everyone. There's drifting, there's spinning, there's track grip racing, there's stance cars parked, there's classic and vintage cars, there's stuff for children to play, rides and things like that. There's also food stalls for all of your eating needs. There's just something for everyone and a lot going on. There's so many cars to see and admire and look at here, and it's a really great, well put together show. So we're just making our way sort of back to the other end right now. We've done the whole length. I'm absolutely exhausted. Yesterday we were 4x4ing the entire day at Crankhandle. They also had an event there, the Crankhandle Family Day, and I've walked up and down mountains the whole of yesterday, as well as driven them. And today I'm walking up and down the Killarney International Raceway track, and my legs are killing me. They feel like lead right now. But overall, I'm very happy I came. Even though I was exhausted, I thought I can't miss this annual event, and it really was worth it. So if you were here this year, then I'm sure you enjoyed it, and if you didn't make it this year, definitely make a plan to come and have a look next year, because it's really cool. So guys, that about wraps it up for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's a bit of a shorter episode than normal, and you know, just something a bit different, which I think is cool. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you again soon for some more Symmetry 4-wheel drive.
Left row, 182.